for Space Molly.
We're at
Bunch of stuff
Fashion
here.
Show Mall.
Bunch of stuff here. If it's a Transformer one, I won't mind, but at this point, anything is good. That'll be easy. Put the POP MART sticker here. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what we are.
Ooh, which one's that one? Is that like
pretty sick.
Christmas? That's Christmas, right?
Yeah, Christmas. Yeah, Christmas 2024. Yeah. Christmas 2024 Molly. Pretty sick. You take the helmet on and off.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
And the little gun should be inside too.
The what?
There's a gun with it. She always comes with a gun.
Oh, there it is. There's a gun.
Yep.
Nice.
Awesome.
Sick.
Hello, my name is Kendrick. I'm an Android engineer at Grindr.
I went to Harvard.
I went to Harvard, and then I am going to unbox the Duckoo Farm. The thing that I noticed about here is that they have some hella cute duckies. What I really want is this one because she kind of looks like Jules. See this one? The one with the pigtails? Yeah. The one that I don't want, let me see. I don't want no regular schmegular duck, so I think the duck that I don't want is... Oh, this digger one right here? I don't want that one. Okay, so I want about the digger.
Just open it, bro.
Oh my god, please. Keep pointing, gunner. I'm not looking. Oh my god. Okay, somewhere.
Dun.
Oh, I found it.
Which,
Oh, I didn't get the one I wanted.
which one did you
You
get?
got something pink.
Another pink one.
He's
I got
destined for pink.
But this peach one's kind of cute though.
That's
That's a
cute.
good one.
That's hella cute.
I wanted the one that looked like Jewel.
Which one was that?
This one. Whatever. Hey, that's it. I always get pink stuff. I don't want no pink shit.
Oh my god. Pink.
We got an Arcane POP MART thing here. Obviously I want Jinx or Vi. We'll go with Echo or Jace too. Well, let's see what I get. Oh, this is a big tag.
Ooh, that was actually really satisfying sounding.
Yeah, that was a...
Wait, don't look at it. No. It's the tag.
I got a Heimerdinger.
Oh no.
Wait, is that good?
Not what I wanted.
That's what I'm saying.
If there was
It's
one
pretty cute.
if there was one I didn't want, it was a Heimerdinger.
It actually doesn't look that bad.
Actually, it's pretty sick. He's pretty cool.
Actually, that's a lot weird. Hey, let me see.
Let me see.
Jinx would have been great.
Is he like a lion thing?
Mel looks pretty cool.
No, he's like
That's kind of cool.
he's a little like small little furry guy.
Hmm.
Wow, we got 2 failed pulls then, huh?
Oh. Bless you. Okay. So which one should I do? The special or the figure or a Labubu?
Let's see the figure. We did a Labubu yesterday.
Figure?
Let's
Okay.
do figure.
It's the new one from Fashion Show Mall. It's the Monsters 1 AM series. Let's see, which one do I want? I think I want the most phone time. He's like in a little shark, or she's in a little shark sleeping bag. It's hella cute. That one. 1, 2, 3. Mm-hmm.
Oh, my arms are hurting.
Ooh, I always like their bags. So nice. We are the monsters. 1. Oh no, I got the sleepwalking one.
Another tail.
Not a fail, but
But not happy or
it's
satisfied.
not the one that I wanted right now. It's cute. It's like she's like on the roof. That's actually kind of scary.
Oh, that's actually terrifying.
Right? It looks like she's about to like jump.
Adventure time.
Wait, am I doing it right? I'm not opening.
Okay, bye.
Bye.